We know that increased blood glucose level increases insulin secretion. But do you know that this secretion is more when glucose is taken orally as compared to when it is given intravenously? Why is it so? We will find out the reason as we study the incretin effect in this video. Welcome back to nonstopneuron.com, where learning medical concepts is as easy as watching cartoons. Let's get started. Okay, so the reason is actually very simple. When the glucose is injected directly into the veins, it's only the glucose that makes the pancreas release insulin. So the released quantity is relatively small. However, when the glucose is taken orally, it takes its friends along. And then they all make the pancreas release insulin. These friends are incretin hormones secreted by the gastrointestinal tract. For example, glucose in the ileal lumen causes L cells of the ileum to release glucagon-like peptide 1. So now along with absorbed glucose, its friend will also make the pancreas release insulin. So insulin secretion is relatively more when glucose is taken orally. This phenomenon is called incretin effect. Thus, the reason for more insulin release after oral intake is incretins. The incretins increasing insulin secretion has importance in therapeutics also. We have two drug classes that target this incretin system to increase insulin secretion in patients with diabetes. We know that in diabetes, the problem is either decreased insulin secretion or it not working properly. Here, the incretin system can help us increase insulin secretion. Two drug classes that I am talking about are GLP-1 analogs and DPP-4 inhibitors. GLP-1 analogs include exenatide, liraglutide, etc. Similar to endogenous GLP-1, they act on the GLP-1 receptors on the beta cells and increase insulin secretion. DPP-4 inhibitors are sitagliptin, vildagliptin, etc. Now the DPP-4 is an enzyme that destroys endogenously secreted GLP-1. DPP-4 inhibitors inhibit this enzyme and thereby prevent the destruction of endogenous incretins. So their effect is increased and more insulin is secreted. Quick recap. Ingested glucose causes secretion of incretins from the gastrointestinal tract. These incretins then increase insulin secretion from the pancreas. Antidiabetic drugs targeting this mechanism are GLP-1 analogs and DPP-4 inhibitors. That's it for this video. If you feel this video will help your friends and colleagues, please share it with them too. And don't forget to subscribe because lots more to come. At Nonstop Neuron, learning medical concepts is as easy as watching cartoons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.